Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is another video about my dreads, how long they are right now. It's been a year since I started to with my freeform dreads. Some people prefer to call them semi freeform dreads because I'm using a sponge, and they say the freeform ones are you're not using anything. You just let your hair tangle by themselves and become dreads. And I don't really do nothing much than I keep using my sponge, and clockwise I do this. Since day one I've been doing only this one motion, clockwise. But be playful with your hair. Sometimes move your head around just to get good twist. And also sometimes I'll be using my finger like this to twist them. I'll be doing this. And you gotta pay attention to your hair too. Don't do it too often, but sometimes some of them are tangled together, and you wanna separate your dreads. I have one right here, but I don't want to separate it. This is why I'm talking about paying attention to it. I don't want to separate it because like the root seems like it's too thin, and it might break if I ever separate it. So it all depends on how you feel, how you feel, how you feel about your hair, the roots and everything, and take care of your hair. That's it.